Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Volkswagen Beetle. Park the car on level ground and engage the parking brake before you start. Wear gloves and safety glasses and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Lay out your tools in order and measure the replacement oil amount. Double-check the filter type and oil grade to avoid mistakes. Keep rags handy to clean spills and protect painted surfaces from oil. Warm the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off, so oil flows easily but isn't dangerously hot. Slide the drain pan under the sump and carefully remove the drain plug with the correct socket. Let the oil drain until the flow slows to drips, then reinstall and torque the plug to factory spec to prevent leaks. Wipe the area clean and inspect for any metal flakes or unusual residue in the oil. Remove the oil filter and allow it to drain into the pan. Inspect the old gasket to avoid double gaskets. Lubricate the new filter's rubber seal with fresh oil and thread it by hand until snug, then give a quarter turn. Refill through the filler neck with the correct oil grade and capacity, check the dipstick, and run the engine briefly to circulate oil. Verify the level again and look for leaks before a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.